Hey guys, so this evening we are at a warehouse here in Newmarket and we're installing some brand new shot blasted lines. We're going to paint them in using a single part epoxy. Let me show you what it looks like really quickly. So this is the shot blasting going down. With the shot blasting completed, you're going to be left with a very coarse line on the ground. Let me show you what that one looks like. This is the ideal finish when you're shot blasting. Smooth concrete one side, rough in the middle, smooth the other. We're going to apply tape to either side of this, and this is the surface we're going to be painting. Let's have a quick look and I'll show you it taped. Start out, all we're going to do is tape our first line right along the edge. And we've gone about 30 centimeters, pressed it down a little bit, put the next one over as well. So this is the start line, and it's crossing over a corner in this case, but that's absolutely fine. What we're going to do afterwards is we'll cut this little section out. So we're going to pull this, and then all we're going to do is walk this all the way down our warehouse. We'll run this right to the very end, and then we're going to position this at the end of our shot blast. So you can see we'll run it all the way in, and then the second one we're going to pull in just a second, and that'll give us a nice straight edge. So as we pull this one in, all we're going to do, lower it down and then press it down at the end. Here we go. These are the taped lines ready to be painted in. Let me show you what they look like when we start painting. So these are the first lines going down. This is the first coat. We're putting 2 coats down of a single part epoxy, and then we're going to finish it off with a matte sealer that's just going to leave a real nice sort of finish to the end. It's going to protect the lines as well, and these are going to hold up for years. We use this product every single day for internal line markings. Now I know a lot of guys only want to use 2-part epoxy systems, and they're great too. They have their place. Just like many other products, you've got UV line markings, 2-part epoxies, single pack epoxies, MMAs. I mean, the list really goes on. It's what you're comfortable with, and it has to meet the customer expectation. As long as you get that right, it doesn't really matter which product you're going to use. So in this case, 2-part epoxy, we're really bloody good at it, and our customers are really happy with the results. They get the longevity. What more is it you're looking for? I mean, that's it really.